We are live.
We have our patient Goldenrod. Goldenrod, you're going to feel something cold. Goldenrod has a thing. How long you had this thing on your back?
My whole life.
It's a mole, right? We call it a thing just for fun. And has it ever bled or changed recently or anything like that?
No.
Okay, so you want us to remove this for you, correct?
Yes.
And that's what we're going to do. Are you okay if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube and Facebook?
Yes.
This is going to feel a little bit cold. Are you ready?
Yes.
Cold. What's she going to feel, Gummy Jean?
Stick, sting, gonna burn.
Here it comes. Little stick. Sting. You feeling the sting and a burn? Good. Nice and slow. We'll take it slow. I'll come. Yeah, that was.
The whole mold changed colors.
Yeah. Put a little bit more in for you. There we go. All right. So what we're going to do is what's called a punch biopsy. This is a little tool that we use to do biopsies. And in this case, it's large enough that we can actually do the biopsy and remove the mole at the same time. Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
All right, so we're going to put that right over the mole and then just twist gently. You feeling anything?
No.
You might feel a little pressure, but you shouldn't feel any pain. If you feel any pain, say, I felt that. Make sure that we have it. Make sure we are deep enough. That should do it right there.
I didn't open them.
That's okay. I can do it. Got that. So this is a very simple office procedure. It can be done in almost any office. Most offices would do this, right? This is very simple. So we're going to grasp firmly the lesion and we're going to snip it off with these scissors. Slowly. The mole has been removed.
I didn't feel anything. Good.
That's what we want. We don't want you to feel anything. And so we want to be sure we're completely removed, and I think we are. All right, so we'll put a stitch in real quick, and then we will be done. And we'll send this to the pathologist, and the pathologist will tell us that it is a benign nevus, or nevus, right? Which is a mole. And will not need to have anything else done. Hopefully, but I'm pretty sure it is. We'll tighten that up. Squeaky,
Good job.
Did you like that? Did you like the squeaks?
Worded.
Well, you know, if we could do these without any blood, if we could do completely bloodless, we would, but unfortunately, it's a fact of life that we all have this stuff called blood circulating, right? We'll take care of that in just a second. Cut the stitch, and then that one right there. You didn't feel any pain?
No, not at all.
Good for you. All right, so we'll take that stitch out in about a week for you, and we'll let you know when we get the pathology reports.
Sounds good.
Goldenrod, you are awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure for all our friends.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, And vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.